Hey, it's Eric from Lakeshore. I'm really excited to share with you some language building activities perfect for your preschoolers or kids in early elementary school. And the best part is, all you really need is a paper bag like this one and some items just laying around your house. So if you're interested, stick around. Alright, I'm going to share with you 5 super simple language building activities that I call What's in the Bag. Let's get started. Number 1, I call this activity Name That Color. So before you start the activity, fill your bag with items from around your house. Just make sure there are a variety of colors. Then with your child, have them reach into the bag and identify the item and the color. As the adult, I always think it's great to start off with an example. So I would reach in, pull this item out, and I would say, this is a red button. I always encourage kids to use complete sentences for activities like this. It's a great way to build their oral language development. So after you do an example, encourage them to pull the remaining items out of the bag. They might say something like, this is a gray stone. You can modify the activity to make it a little more challenging. So this time around, you can prompt them and ask, can you find, without looking in the bag, can you find the item that is purple? So they're gonna reach in, they're gonna feel around, and find the item that they remember was purple. They should pull out an item like this, and they'll say, this is a purple pom-pom. Activity number 2. This one's called letter sounds. So this time around, they're going to reach in, they're going to pull out an item, and they're going to identify either the beginning or the ending sound of that object. So for example, button starts with the B sound, or spider ends with the sound. All right, number 3, syllables. So for this activity, you're going to want to find items that are 1 syllable, 2 syllable, and 3 syllable words. Pen is a 1 syllable word. Lizard. Lizard. That's a 2 syllable word. Basketball. That is a 3 syllable word. I had to think about that one. And then you can modify the game like we have for all the other games. Put the items back in, and you might ask the child to find, can you find an item that is a 2 syllable word? And so on. Number 4, rhyming. So for this activity, kids are gonna pull an item out of the bag, say its name, and then say as many words that rhyme with that item. Ball. Hall rhymes with ball, fall, call, mall. All right, number 5, last but not least, using descriptive language. So for this activity, without you knowing what the items are, your child's gonna fill the bag with different objects, and then they're going to describe those objects to you, and then you have to find that item. So for example, your child might say, find the item that is round, smooth, and rolls. And the item would be ball. If the activity is a little too challenging for your child at first, you could totally reverse roles. You could be the one who gives the clues at the beginning and have your child find the items. And then once they're familiar with some of that descriptive language, then you can reverse roles. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed those 5 super simple what's in the bag learning activities. And I hope they're really meaningful and fun for your kids. It's always fun for us to see your kiddos in action with these learning activities. So post a photo or a video to social media with the hashtag #LearnWithLakeshore. I hope you enjoyed this Learning at Home video. Please like and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel for more great content. Until next time, keep on learning.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.